Take the quality of your life to the next level. Help the planet and save money in the process. Go green. Light and heat from the sun has been harnessed by humans since ancient times using a range of ever-evolving technologies. In modern times, solar energy constitutes a great part of Earth's renewable energy resources. Thousands of years ago, people used to make fire. Now we use it to make power for the entire home. And the best thing about solar energy is that it's always there. You can't spend it, can't run out of it, and once you have the means to harness it, it's yours for the taking, free of any additional costs. Imagine how much you could save if you had your own power generator. Imagine the environmental benefits if every one of us used renewable energy. It can start with you, and here's how. With our step-by-step do-it-yourself video that covers all you need to know about solar energy, you'll become an expert in building your own solar panels. You might say, why bother when I can pay somebody to do it? However, consider this. A basic solar installation from a retailer can cost you well over $20,000. But with proper knowledge, you can build your own quality solar panel like this one for under $200. Our tutorial video contains detailed information on solar panel building, such as the process of solar power conversion, the tools you're going to need, detailed schematics on calculating the amount of power you'll need to power your household, and the size of the panel accordingly, safety precautions you have to take. And once we feel that we've shared all the necessary information with you, we're going to move on to the actual demonstration of making a solar panel. You'll learn how to solder solar cells, make stringers, test the panel, and more.